we want to differentiate this function. So this is the outer. So I don't know what the inner is, and I don't care. So y prime, first of all, I differentiate the outer. Sine prime, you already told me several times, is cosine, and I have to copy everything I see here of theta plus tangent of theta plus cosine theta times, because I don't have enough room. So you can continue. You don't have to move to the next row. Now I want to differentiate this. I differentiate theta, which is x, right? So I differentiate theta, and what do I get?
Zero.
That's this is not the yes, 1, because this is the variable. Yes, plus. Now yes, secant squared of theta plus cosine theta times, because see, this is tangent prime, which is secant squared of something, but this is not plane x or plane theta. So then I have to multiply by the inner function prime. And then I will close this parenthesis. So now nothing else matters. I'm only looking at this, differentiate, and put it in here. Theta prime is we had it before. 1. Good. Cosine prime. So the outer function, and this is the inner. But when you get to the inner, you also have an outer and an inner eventually. Okay, let's choose one more, and then we can stop. You choose whatever you want. Yes, it gets more complicated when I have to find the second derivative as well. Of course. More work. All sorts of combinations. You see a power. Here is a inside a sign there is a ratio.
We do that one?
Yes.
43.
You mean this one, 43? Let's do 43. Good. Let me copy it and I'll stop sharing. 43 is g of x equals sine e to the x over 1 plus e to the x. Perfect. Thank you. Good. So g prime, you already told me that sine prime is cosine, but I have to copy the argument. So this is e to the x times over 1 plus e to the x times the inner function prime. Which rule do I apply to e to the x over 1 plus e to the x?
Quotient?
Yes. So the denominator is easy. The numerator has to have minus, right? The top prime is e to the x. I copy now the denominator. Minus, I copy the numerator and differentiate the denominator, which is again just e to the x. I'm going to try to clean it up. Do not touch this with anything else, right? This is cosine of this. Cosine does not exist without an argument. Because I saw students do this. They simplify x and they get sine. So please, I'm not saying you did. Not at all. I'm just saying please don't get into that trap. You cannot simplify an argument inside a function with something outside of the function. Okay, so this is cosine of e to the x over 1 plus e to the x. This is e to the x plus, copy the base, add the exponents, minus copy the base, add the exponents, these two go away, over 1 plus e to the x squared. So you cannot touch this. I'm going to put this in front. So e to the x over 1 plus e to the x squared times, so there is no confusion, cosine e to the x over 1 plus e to the x. Very good pick, thank you.